Adding and editing pages in Sitebuilder. This tutorial will show you how to add a page to a site and edit it using the Site Wizard in Sitebuilder. For this demonstration, we're using a network implementation of Sitebuilder. The configuration may be different when accessing a dedicated server that has its own licensed copy of Sitebuilder installed locally on the server. Site owner accounts will automatically open to the Start page in the Site Wizard and can access this page by clicking the Pages link. Reseller accounts will open to the Admin panel. To get to this page, select the site from the Sites menu, then click the Edit in Site Wizard icon, and finally click the Pages link. Here are the pages that are currently in our existing site structure. Here we can select from a variety of page sets that include the pages we can add to our structure. The standard pages that are in the selected page set are displayed here. Special pages that add extra functionality to the site can be selected here. This option can be used to add a hit counter to every page. Scroll back to the top of the page. Let's select a different page set. Click the page set. Let's add a page. Click the checkbox. Click the right arrow button. Now let's remove a page. Click the checkbox. Click the left arrow button. We can also adjust the position of the links in the navigation. Click the checkbox. We can move the link up we can move it back down. We can move it so that it is a sub-page of the previous one. We can also return it to the root level of the navigation. Now, let's scroll to the bottom so we can rename the page. Click the Rename button. Enter the new name. Now let's save our changes before we proceed with editing the page. Click the Save Changes button. Click the Edit link. Here we can use the sitemap to select the new page we want to edit. Let's edit our new sitemap page. We can change the page title. Let's change the page file name. We can also add page keywords and a page description that will be stored in meta tags for the page. Meta tags with keywords and the page descriptions are used by search engines that index listings for pages. Let's hide the sitemap and begin editing our page. Sitebuilder provides us with a toolbar of commonly used controls to adjust the content of the page. Now let's remove the sample content. Highlight the existing content. Sitebuilder also has several modules that can be used to add functionality to the page. Let's add the one for the site map. The use of some modules may be dependent on the configuration of the server that will be hosting the account. Modules that are not compatible with the hosting configuration will return an error when an attempt to publish the site is made. If you receive one of these errors when using a module and you're not the system administrator of the hosting server, contact your provider for assistance. Click the Properties link. Here we can select the layout and style options for the sitemap. Click the OK button. We can also hide the Modules panel. Click the Save Changes button. Changes made in Sitebuilder will not be reflected on the site until they're published to the hosting server. Finally, let's publish the changes. Click the Publish link. Before we publish the changes, let's preview them. Click the Preview Site link. Click the Site Map link. Close the window. Enabling this option will republish the entire site. Leaving it unchecked will only publish pages that have been changed since the site was last published. Click the Publish button. Congratulations! You now know how to add a page to a site and edit the page using the Site Wizard in Sitebuilder.